Alrighty, MSTR trade review. I am indeed out of this one already. Trade idea set up here. 14% short vote. Right, I like it. Looking at the daily here, we can see that price is just ranging basically from 180 to 100, somewhere around there. On this day, August 5th, Monday, huge gap down, got bought up all day. That gap down was right to the 200 SMA and to this prior support area. Let me orientate you to MAs. Yellow. I am colorblind. Yellow is 50 SMA. Pink is 200 SMA. White 10 EMA, blue 20 EMA. And then these guys, I have some anchor VWAP from that high, and then anchor VWAP from this low, and then I have anchor VWAP from this sell-off day 2 and that high. So what I liked, this was similar to Tesla, big gap down, bought up, chop, chop, chop. This is like for 10-ish days, somewhere around there. Go on the 30. What I liked about it is, again, balance zones. I found them. I'm going to hide the MAs here, and then I'm going to put up that balance zone. Balance zone, look above, fail, look below, fail, chop, 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 look above, fail, down here, bottom end, right? So it just bounces in between this, looks above, big rejection at that VWAP from the prior high, support from this VWAP from the low, right? So this pinches here. This, I think, was the real entry that I should have made. So balance zone times 1 times 2 times 2 target was hit, but I missed that move. What I was actually waiting for was a retest of this anchored VWAP from that prior high right there, which it did chop around and consolidate for. So I was kind of thinking this might have been the higher low. I didn't take any action. Next day, gap down, sold off, made it to about halfway. But it didn't necessarily make it to opposite end range yet. So what I was thinking is, okay, well, it couldn't make it to opposite end range. Let me see what will happen on this gap up, right? It's like, okay, this might be the move that goes up, creates a higher high. It breaks this downtrend line here of 2-3-ish days. And so I'm looking for an entry. 5-minute time zone, chopping right here, breaks that low of day, gets some shorts trapped here, okay? And then price comes back up into this zone. So I'm like, all right, great. This could be a decent potential to be a higher high. There's a nice little bottoming tail here. So I thought this might have been the retest for another push lower. It didn't go lower. We get a nice price push here. And that is indeed where I entered. If I put a VWAP, it also broke VWAP on that too. However, as you can see, I entered here. It got rejected by VWAP, and then it just continued sold off. I got taken out the same day. What I probably should have done better is I should have kept my EMAs on the screen, because look, it was just straight up rejected at the 10 EMA, right? We got the 20 there as well. And then also rejection at this VWAP from the second day. So this could have been like a third day continuation play, failure off that VWAP. It could have been a short play off of the 10 EMA. I wasn't looking to short it, so I wasn't about to do it. So I got out. Yeah, that's how I managed it though. Now look where it is at though. Opposite end range target, right? So we'll see. We'll see what happens.